would you still love me? After all that I said, would you still love me? When you followed and I led, would you still love me? If you knew it wasn't true, now you don't love me when I wrote it just for you. Cause we live out on a hill. Some people try to fool you by the way they dress. That's how it's kept simple and fancy looking like a mess. Well, they don't fool me cause I know the truth. People silly can't end the winter fickle tooth. Shave your head, smell right, you'll put on the crew. A year's that's going out, tell me what you do. Just so with the homies at a place you call them off. You just got pains, it's time to make the call. Who could it be? And one day to say, you shit your mama, check and see if everything's okay to go. She's ugly, makes me wanna hurl. You know, pimp sees you, you better just smack her. You wanna low rider, but you drive a jail tracker. Well, that shit sucks and it's a bunch of crap. I guess it's just why we don't play rap.